Today I'm in Opel Insignia. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the car's system. Now go to menu, phone, connect phone, add phone, and on your smartphone go to Bluetooth settings. Select My Opel, connect and confirm on the screen. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.